Congratulations on making it through as a TeenTech Awards Finalist. We're so excited for the grand final at the IET in London in June and celebrating all of your hard work over the last few months. As part of the awards ceremony, we're asking you and your team to put together a 20-second video about your project. This video is really important as it's your chance to show the other students and our industry experts your projects and explain why they're so brilliant. To help you do this, we've put together some top tips to help you prepare your TeenTech Awards project videos. Tip 1, and this one's really important. If you're filming your video on a mobile phone or tablet, please make sure you're recording in landscape mode. The screens at the IET are huge, and we want your videos to look their very best. So making sure your video is in landscape and can fill the screens is really important. Okay, tip 2. Remember that the camera on the back of your phone is likely of a higher resolution than the front-facing camera. So use the rear camera on your phone or tablet if possible. Ideally, you'll get a friend or a family member to record you, but if that's not possible, you can rest your phone somewhere, or you could even assemble a makeshift tripod using objects that you have around the house or around your school. Tip 3. Try and record your presentation somewhere quiet. Background noise on a video can be really distracting, so try and find a nice quiet room to film your project video. Tip 4. Lighting and framing. Ideally, your eye line wants to be about a third of the way down the frame if possible. And lighting wise, try and ensure that the light source, whether it's a lamp, a spotlight or a window, is behind the camera and not behind you. If the light source is behind you, it creates this really weird silhouette effect and it makes it look as if you're in witness protection. So have the light source behind the camera if possible. Tip 5. If there's just one of you delivering your presentation, please make sure you mention the other members of your team. For example, my name is Ali, and together with Tom and Kathy from Cleveland School, we have developed. That way your whole team feels included, and our experts and our students know who worked on the project. Please also ensure that you don't include surnames in the video or on your visuals. Tip 6. You don't have to deliver your presentation straight to camera. You could create a promotional video or advert for your project, or even an animation, and think about how you want to use your entire team. If possible, you can get together in a physical space to record your video, but if that's not possible, you could do it online. You could use online tools such as Teams or Zoom or Skype to actually record your presentation, and as long as one of you has an account with that service, that's possible to do. You could even screen share some visuals so we get to see a little bit of the work that you've done as well. And there's some really cool tools that you can use to record your presentations. Applications such as PowerPoint even have a presenter mode that allow you to bring visuals such as images or videos up on the screen and then have you and your team in the corner telling us what makes your project so incredible. We'll put some links to those tools underneath the video on the student resources page, so feel free to try those out if you want to. Lastly, tip 7, have fun with it. This is your chance to show off all of your incredible work and tell us what makes your project so special. And please do remember to fill out the video and photos permission form. We want to show all of your project videos during the final ceremony, and we just need to know that that's okay. And finally, congratulations again on making it through as a TeenTech Awards finalist. We're really excited to see you in person and hear all about your amazing projects at the IET in London in June. Good luck.